Hey everybody, this is Jason back on Java PC. We are going to be doing a repair video / upgrade video for a customer. This is the current computer as it sits. Not too bad of a build. It's got nice little RGBs everywhere, which of course helps with performance. This currently has a AMD FX 8350 8-core processor, 4 GHz, with an odd 28 gigs of RAM, Windows 10 64GB or 64-bit. With a solid state drive that is 240 gig-ish and a 1 terabyte standard drive. I wanted to see that odd thing, which was the RAM to me, of like why they have different speeds. So let's see what they got. We have an 8 gig slot in the slot 1. We have an 8 gig in slot 2, both are DDR3. We have a 4 gig stick in slot 3 and an 8 gig stick in slot 4. The two that match are the G skills, and then we've got another G skill that's a 4 GB and a Kingston that's 8 GB, all with varying speeds. So I wouldn't recommend this. I would make sure you guys have the same RAM brand as well as speed and timings. But we're going to do a benchmark pick to see what we come up with. Alright, so we have our results from the test. We got 57 percentile. So we have CPU scored 73, which actually isn't too bad. 2D scored 33 percentile. 3D got 82nd percentile, which is pretty expected. The memory, it did not do very well at all, mainly because, like I said, the speeds are all different and the RAM sizes are different, which doesn't help any. But it's also DDR3, and the disk mark also scored poorly at 48th percentile. So this is the computer we're going to be working on today. As you can see, like I said, you've got at least 3 different types of RAM in there, if not 4, but I'm not quite sure yet. As you can see, the wiring's kind of poor. The lighting's actually kind of nice. They did a good job with the lighting because they have all 7 of the fans going. I'd like to see it in conjunction with the CPU cooler as well. But let me show you the back real quick. The wiring is not super. I mean, I know that's a lot of fans, but goodness, that is a lot of spaghetti. So we're going to be taking this apart today, and we're going to be installing a brand new Ryzen 7 2700X, as well as a Asus ROG Strix B450 gaming, and 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 3600 speed. So we'll see how that goes and let you guys know. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.